It's YouTube Wednesday! What I've already done is on my head form, I just made a little cap on the area that I'm going to be working out of painter's tape. And that was just to keep my spray foam from sticking to the plaster. I do want the plaster to cure underneath, so I'm going to give this a spray. And I have Loctite. I can stop at any time. I'm just going around laying a base. For it will be a Krampus cap. Why is it a Krampus cap? Because it has scary eyebrows and horns. This is for a performer who wants a largely open face. This is a good option. This has a nice fluffy consistency, so I know it's material that is in date. This is not trustworthy to flatten yet. I'm just knocking down some ugly. Okay, Alexa, countdown. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. We are now shapeable, and I want to do some shaping here. First thing I want to do is get rid of all these lines. And we're doing this, we're condensing the foam too, so it gets more dense, it gets firmer. And that's my monster brow that will just show the scariness of the character. Okay, we are shaped. I don't think I need, I'm gonna do a little bit more back here where I see some tape showing through. Always pull off your schmeg there. We're gonna do a little bit of flat work. Just some ears. Alexa, count down 5 minutes. I have my ears here that I worked on. We'll let them sit a little, but I gotta flatten out this back of the head where I was a little thin. Fresh ear squeezins. When you're doing ears, you make sure you have a left ear and a right ear. That's important. When I have the headpiece firmed up and the ears attached, then I'm going to put the hood onto it. And with the hood on it, I will cut holes for the horns, and then I know where the horns go, and I will put the horns on. Okay, so I have to give this a few minutes for those ears to finally set up, and then we're ready to put the hood on and cut appropriate holes and whatnot. Here's the test. Eat feet, man. If you look, I have this much hood on this side and this much hood on this side. And I have already cut my holes. Therefore, I have aired. This is an easy fix because that's where a horn will go. This one is not. Actually, I think this one is in a pretty good spot. Alexa, count down 5 minutes.
I don't want to move my finger.
Remember, this was empty. This was empty, and now it is all foam. So I need to get another one and just finish because we are mostly done. Just has to finish.
Whenever I don't have to get like all the details and stuff, then I'll do that. That's the one.
I gotta put a fan on this. So I can't pull the hood down over that to paint the ears. until that's dry. His brow and ears get flesh, and then I'll do an antique treatment on the horns. That has to dry, but it'll dry fast. It's a dry brush. I'm going to do like a spray paint glazing on the horns to make them stand out. And I'll probably do one more dry brush because that's not a different enough color than that. That looks nice and natural now. Last dry brush on the facey face. Go make stuff! It's time for some Patreon shout-outs. Special thanks to Cheryl Fowler, Richard Clark, Stephanie Rebello, Bob Boy, Bill Blanchfield, Laura Newton, and Lance Newton. For extra content, make sure you join our Patreon. As always, go make stuff.